When finishing a basement and determining what that cost is going to look like, there are a lot of different things to consider. Our team here at KCBR Design Remodel, we have the design and craftsman, project management, all under one roof on the same team to really make this a seamless process. And we put a lot of intentional effort in the process from very day one on your project. With basements, the things that are going to determine that cost is, defined by a clear scope of work. So that could be a really simple, basic basement finish that you're looking to just be able to have a lounge area with, your TV setup maybe and kids play area and whatnot, or how things will start to increase that price for a basement is going to be a wet bar maybe, or a kitchenette, which some people really want to make this basement very convenient and have that full-on kitchenette with the built-in mini fridge or oven and microwave. So there's electrical involved in too, and then you have all your cabinets. So of course the product starts to, increase that price. Or of course adding a bathroom, is going to cost with this overall basement finish, adding like a bedroom in a basement really doesn't change much at all, but of course you have to have like your egress windows and stuff. So there's all these different things. We have some people incorporating their fitness into basements, and maybe that means they want it completely blocked off, or we can just create like a space in your basement where you don't have to maybe frame it all up and put all that detail behind it, but sometimes people want like the glass doors or French doors. So when it comes kind of down to all of those things, a lot of product and what you're kind of wanting to put into this basement is going to determine what that cost could look like. Basements could be around $40,000 to $80,000, and then give or take, it really depends. With us, just know that you are really going to get that full service experience from day one to the very finished walkthrough. We're really efficient with our process and determining that scope of work and detail that goes into the project with clear communication and a trustworthy team. So when it comes to finishing your basement, it's going to really depend on the client and what you're looking to achieve, whether that's a really simple basement finish or more extravagant with a space that you're going to be utilizing for a lot of different needs. That's the great thing. They're so versatile, and our team is here to help you achieve exactly what that looks like and bring the vision to life. So if you have any questions at all or considering a basement finish, we'd love to help you out.